My dear friends, welcome to Latest Wealth. My passion is to give education for the people. Our mission is educate, encourage and enrich. Because once you have a financial IQ, once you have a financial knowledge, you can create wonders in the life. To have financial knowledge, now you have already taken a decision to invest in stock market, or you want to know more about stock market. In this regard, as a basic level, as an investor or as a trader, you must know what are the stock exchanges in the world and what are the stock exchanges in India. Because each stock exchange is having its own significance. Now you may be wondering, I am from India, why I have to know about US stock exchange? And some people from, I am from Europe, why I have to know about US stock exchange and why I have to know about Indian stock exchange? There was one saying in stock market, if Nasdaq gets cold, Sensex will start sneezing. Yes, अगर Nasdaq में सर्दी हो गया, Sensex छींकना शुरू कर देती है. So you should know each stock market is having impact on other exchanges. Each stock exchange is having impact on other exchanges. For example, US stock market prices come down, immediately it will start affecting other parts of the world also. Same the way, suppose Indian stock market start falling, it will start affecting other stock market. That's why it is very much important. You should know about what are the stock exchanges. Now in this episode, let us learn what are the major stock exchanges in the world as well as in India. Let's have some brief idea about different stock exchanges. Let us start. Major stock exchanges in India and world. Let us see what are the major stock exchanges in the world. My dear friends, once upon a time, the stock exchanges were like a shouting and crying. When the stock exchange started in Mumbai, long time back, before the independence, do you know how the stocks were selling? People used to come and start shouting with the papers in their hands. So and so company stock is this much price, so and so company stock is this much price. Like this, people used to shout. By listening his shouting, and whoever want to become stock investors, they were coming and they are bargaining. Once the bargaining is over, they are settled down and they are writing in the papers. Like if you go to any marketing yard, local markets in India, some local markets, especially fruit markets, wholesale people will be doing the auction. For example, the arrived mangoes from the truck, the person will start shouting, the mango per ton is this much rate, per ton is this much rate, like this. Some 10-15 people will come and do the auctioning. Same the way stock market was going on. Afterwards, it has changed into electronic chip. It has entered into computers. Now everything is in the form of electronic form and through the computer terminals, and with the advent of internet technology, now it has come to computers. My dear friends, as of November 30, 2018, we are listing 15 biggest stock exchanges in the world by way of market capitalization of listed securities. 1. New York Stock Exchange. It is located in New York City and market capitalization is 22,923 trillions. It is one of the biggest stock exchanges in the world. 2. Nasdaq, the short form for the National Association for Securities Dealers Automated Quotation. This is the electronic stock exchange located in New York City. Market capitalization is 10.857 trillions listed in market capitalization. 3. Tokyo Stock Exchange, formerly known as Japan Exchange Group, which is located in Tokyo, Japan. $4.485 trillion. 4. Shanghai Stock Exchange, located in Shanghai, China. 3,986 trillions listed in market capitalization. 5. Hong Kong Stock Exchange, located in Hong Kong. Market capitalization, just look at the screen. 6. Europe is one of the biggest stock exchange in the world, and especially for the Europe. Located throughout the Europe, France, Portugal, Netherlands and Belgium. 3,927 trillions. 7. London Stock Exchange, located in London, England. 3,767 in listed market capitalization. Next, Shenzhen Stock Exchange, located in Shenzhen, China. So many $1 trillion listed in market capitalization. 9. TMX Group, The Canadian Stock Exchange is located in Toronto, Canada, 2095 trillions in market capitalization. Bombay Stock Exchange, or popularly called as a BSE, the index is measured by Sensex, located in Mumbai, India, $2056 trillion in market capitalization. 11. National Stock Exchange of India, located in Mumbai, India, 2030 trillion in market capitalization. 12. Deutsche Börse, the German stock exchange, located in Frankfurt, Germany, 1864 trillion in market capitalization. 13. SIX Swiss Exchange, the Zurich Stock Exchange, located in Zurich, Switzerland, 1523 trillions listed in market capitalization. 14. Korea Exchange, the South Korean stock exchange, located in Seoul, South Korea, $1463 trillion listed in market capitalization. 15. Nasdaq Nordic, located in Stockholm, Sweden, $1372 trillion in listed market capitalization. My dear friends, thank you very much for watching. Hope you got some beautiful knowledge which is going to improve your financial IQ. Now we have learned about different stock exchanges in the world as well as in India. Our effort will continue, and please keep watching. Don't skip any episode. If you are not subscribed for our channel, please subscribe, so that future we are going to create some more wonderful and excellent videos about stock market trading, stock market investment, so that you can make a lot of money, you can be wealthy. Wish you good luck, keep watching, and thank you very much. Till we meet again, enjoy every bit of life, have a nice day, and Kailash is logging off. Bye bye.